Who was the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom at the time of India's independence? Clement Attlee. The Champaran Satyagraha was associated with the cultivation of which plant? Indigo. Who fought for the abolition of sati? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which one of the following was not a French settlement in India? Goa. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi launch Champaran Satyagraha? (1917). Who founded the newspaper Kesari in the year 1881? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who wrote the book, The Indian War of Independence 1857? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Goa was ruled by? Portuguese. Who was known as the second founder of the Maratha Empire? Balaji Vishwanath. Who started the newspaper, The Independent, in 1919? Motilal Nehru. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Barrackpore is located in which Indian state? West Bengal. Where did Madam Bhikaji Cama hoist the Indian flag on August 22, 1907? Germany. Who among the below was not assassinated? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Bombay. Who among the below attended all the three round table conferences? B.R. Ambedkar. Who founded the Public Works Department in India in 1848? Lord Dalhousie. The British separated Burma province from British India in which year? (1937). Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service? Sityendranath Tagore. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa? (1915). Which commission investigated the massacre at Jallianwala Bagh? Hunter Commission. Dandi is located in which Indian state? Gujarat. Name the fort built by the British East India Company in Madras. Fort St. George. Chauri Chaura is located in which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. What was the slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi during Quit India movement? Do or die.